This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting clear goals and securing accounts. Make sure two-factor authentication is on. Once done, pick the platform and open a clean alternate profile for testing. Next, label each video with tracking tags and prepare thumbnails and captions so you can measure impact. Begin with a small buy one pack or $10 equivalent so you can observe behavior without large risk. You want immediate data. This first trade is about establishing baseline metrics you can compare. You now execute trades with discipline. Pick reputable vendors and review retention claims, refund terms, and delivery windows. Once chosen, stagger purchases to mimic organic growth. Make small increases over hours, not all at once. Monitor key metrics, 15-second watch, click-through, and secondary engagement to see if the views convert into meaningful signals. If retention is low, pause and test a different provider. Also split test captions and thumbnails concurrently so you can attribute changes correctly. You finish by scaling only when retention and engagement show real improvement. Double volume conservatively, and do not chase vanity numbers. Once scaled, maintain a vendor list and remove any source with retention below your threshold. If platform penalties or sudden view drops happen, pause buys immediately. Compare delivery timestamps and analytics to isolate the culprit, then rotate to a different video or vendor. Make sure to document each trade. This log is your fastest path to diagnosing and preventing recurrence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.